Welcome back. We're continuing the news. On the heels of last week's vote on the extension of the states of public emergency, People's National Party President Mark Golding continues to defend the opposition's position on the matter. He was speaking at the PNP's National Executive Council meeting today.
A resolute opposition leader, Mark Golding.
Comrades, I'm satisfied that we have done the right thing.
This in response to concerns that there could be backlash for voting against the extension of the states of public emergency in Parliament last week. For Mr. Golding, it was a proud moment because, according to him, the party spoke with one voice on the matter.
All of our MPs and our senators fell in line with the position that was articulated coming out of the executive committee of the party, which met and discussed this issue. Not all of us were in the chamber at the time the vote was taken, but all of us who spoke, and most of us spoke, none of them who spoke supported the extension of the state of emergency. Our position was consistent and it was uniform in that regard.
And as the PNP readies itself for the local government elections,
I'm asking each and every one of us to do what we can to help our candidates be successful. Some of us are good organizationally and are accustomed with experience to working on the ground. Please go on the ground, put in the work and help the candidates go through. Some of us may be able to provide some financial or other support. Please provide that support wherever you can. This is going to be a critical election for the party going forward. When we do well, the signal will be sent and Jamaica will say the PNP is not only strong in Parliament, despite our small numbers, but we are strong on the ground.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.